Hi viewers, today I'm coming to an interesting topic for you. Recently I had learned a few things about Apache Web Server and MySQL. So I would to like this share this information for all. Definitely this idea will useful for future analysis for all. Then now I'm open for CentOS 7 environment. Then now I'm going to check the Apache Web Server status. It's nothing but just simple procedure like service http status. It shows the Apache Web Server's current status. Then now Apache is describing like Apache is stopped. Then now I'm going to start the Apache service. Is simple, is nothing but don't complicate about that. http strt. So then now I'm going to verify and check the status. The status, definitely the status showing the Apache Web Server start or not. Yeah, it's good. Apache Web Server is start and running. Then now I'm going to stop the Apache Web Server. Same command. Apache Web Service is stopped. Then now I'm going to restart the Apache Web Server. Restart. So Apache Web Server is restored. Then now another time check the status for Apache Web Server. So Apache server is describing the active mode. Then now if you want to check the Apache configuration file, so it's nothing but I put one simple keyword for Apache configuration file like http.conf, press enter. Then now it's common because it's a configuration file, so it's nothing found. It's on shows only like a command not found. Then now you put locate command is used to search and find the any information for file like http.conf. This way you can find the Apache configuration file command before you put into view. Just paste here and press enter. So displaying the configuration file. This configuration file is including the lot of information about the Apache Web Server. Then now quit the page. I am back. Then now I'm going to showing the how to start the MySQL service MySQL. So MySQL service is start. Then now I'm going to check the MySQL status. Simple, nothing is complicated. MySQL status. So MySQL is running. Then now I'm going to stop the MySQL service MySQL stop. Let's another time I verify the MySQL status. So I would like Status. So MySQL service is fully stopped. Then now I'm going to restart the MySQL service. MySQL restart. The now comment is showing the MySQL restart. Then now on the time I'm going to check MySQL status. Service MySQL status. So MySQL is running. Then now I'm stopped the MySQL service. MySQL stop. Actually this command is differ from window environment to environment. Then now I'm talk about only about CentOS 7. Then now I'm going to move and showing the Linux 6 format. Then now I opened Red Hat Enterprise Linux situation. Then now I'm going to talk with how to open and start the Apache web server. Just it's different for CentOS 1. It's nothing but just simple, it's not complicated. HTTP. I'm going to start the Apache web server. So this is starting the Apache server. Then now I'm going to check the Apache web server status. So Apache web server is running. Then now I'm going to stop the Apache server. /etc same command. So stopping the HTTP like Apache web service. Then now another time I will check for the Apache web server status for another time. So status is displayed like HTTP is stopped. Then now how to restart the Apache web server in at Red Hat Enterprise Linux 664 4-bit. It's nothing but same command. I will put same command /etc. So Apache is restored. Then now further I'm going to check the Apache status and verify the Apache status /etc /httpd status. This status is displayed like HTTPD is running. If you want, check the file system table and file system for your environment like Red Hat Linux Enterprise. So it's nothing but just I put simple command for like that. Here first tab is showing the file system table for your environment. Just enter.